Allianz Affiliate Program Tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can join to the affiliate program of Allianz. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to join to the affiliate program of Allianz, you could also click my affiliate link below the description for earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Allianz, it is a prominent global financial services in which it operates in over 70 countries, serving approximately 125 million private and corporate customers, in which it is recognized as one of the world's largest insurers and asset managers, offering a comprehensive range of products and services, including property and casualty insurance, life and health insurance, and asset management solution. And also the company is committed to delivering financial security and confidence to its client, emphasizing a strategy that focuses on innovation and customer-centric solution. And now to join to the affiliate program of Allianz. As you can see below here, it will show us that there is no option in here that can lead us to the affiliate program of Allianz. And for that, we're going to use some other platform to start joining to the affiliate program of Allianz. And this platform is called thesovereign.com, in which it is the leading technology platform dedicated to empowering online publishers by providing tools and services that enhance revenue generation and operational efficiency. And to sign up, just click the sign up button on the top right corner, then you will be directed in here. All you need to do is simply fill out all of this required information to create your account, or you could also continue using your Google account in here. Then proceed by clicking the sign in button and Sovereign platform in here to proceed. And after successfully signing in on sovereign.com, you'll now be directed on this page, and it will show you on the left side panel some of the options, including this welcome, advertising, and commerce option. But just proceed by clicking this commerce option right here. And upon clicking on it, it will show you below here some other options that you could also start navigating, including this getting started, analytics, create links. But just proceed by clicking this approve merchants button, in which it will show you all of the preferred merchants that you could also join to their affiliate program. And since we're trying to join to the Allianz affiliate program, just go to the search bar and kindly search for Allianz. And after entering the word Allianz, just click search button, and it will show you below here all of the result of merchants. As you can see, we have here Allianz assistance on UK and any other country in here. But for instance, we're going to click this one, and it will show us in here the commission rate it offers, which is 10%, and also the average order value, which is $56.93, and the estimated earnings per click. All the network rates in here. By clicking this one, it will show us that it offers 10% for both travel insurance and roadside assistance. And below here are the domains of this Allianz assistance for UK. However, if you scroll on below here and you click these countries, it will show you that it is only available for UK. So basically in here, all of your leads should from UK, because if not, you will not get a commission from it. So basically it is only limited to country UK of your leads. And now to start creating an affiliate link, just click the create a link button on the top right corner, and it will show you in here that you need to fill out this side product URL, the link name, and also it is optional to enter here the tracking, such as your custom tracking, and even the advanced settings in here. We have here fallback URL parameters and many more. So basically just fill out all of this required information to create your link, in which that affiliate link are the one that you're going to use to promote this Allianz assistance for UK. Then they will automatically be directed on this domain, and if they try to purchase any of this trip or travel insurance, you'll earn a 10% commission if our leads or customer who purchased it or comes from UK. And going back in here, we could also choose some other merchants that is offer leads for all over the world, and that is this Allianz Travel. By simply clicking this one, it will show us in here some of the commission rate it offers. And as you can see, it offers commission rate of 8.12%, while the average order value amounting to $160, and the estimated earnings per click is $0.90, which is way more higher than before. And aside from that, below here under network rates, it will show us some of the rates on online sale category with different kind of item in here, list, order total range, and many more. So basically, it is depending on the category and the amount that the customer purchase using our affiliate links. And here are the domains of this Allianz Travel. But basically how it works is also just the same. However, the leads that we could also use are available from different countries all over the world. So as you can see in here, it is not only limited to one country, but it is available all over the world. So we can basically use it to promote this Allianz travel from some of the customers all over the world. And basically, if the customer try to purchase some of the services that this Allianz travel offer, we will earn a commission from it. And also, we have here this estimated earnings per click. And again, to create an account, just click this button, and on the right side panel, just enter here the site and also the product URL. For example, I'm going to enter here under this link name, Allianz. And below, you could also add the tracking and also advanced settings, or proceed by clicking the create button on the top right corner to start creating your link. And upon clicking this button on the top right corner, it will show us that the link has now been saved and copied to our clipboard. So we can simply paste it on the next tab if you want to. But basically, that is just how it works in which of the customer or our leads from all over the world try to purchase one of the services, including this travel insurance. With its corresponding benefits on it, we'll earn this 8.12% as a commission for it. While under this Allianz Assistant, we'll only earn a 10% commission rate, with only limited to the leads from UK. So if you're from UK, you could also use this one or join to the affiliate program of this. However, I must prepare to this Allianz travel. Moving on the left side panel, you could also navigate here the settings, where it will show you all of your approved sites, pending, and denied sites in here. So you can basically track here if your site has now been declined or being approved. And aside from that, to check all of the links that you've been created, you can click the Create Links button on the left side panel on this corners, and it will show you in here all of the list of your link that has been created. So you can simply edit here or navigate again. And also under this Getting Started, it will show you the step-by-step process on how you can set up your account on this platform. While under this Analytics overview, it will show you your performance, including your revenue, number of clicks you earn, your EPC, OTR %, and many more. So this basically you can check or track your performance, whether you gain or earn a commission from different country all over the world as your leads. But in using your affiliate links, you could also use social media account in order to promote the services of Allianz platform, such as, for example, one of these affiliate links you could also put or include in your captions upon posting on your social media platforms, such as on your Facebook account, Twitter, Instagram, and many more. And you can even integrate links in your blog posts or start creating high-quality content such as product review, tutorials, and comparison articles that naturally incorporate your affiliate links. So basically, aside from using the leverage of social media to share your affiliate links, you could also create your own banner that display your affiliate links or the website that you are promoting. And by combining those kind of strategies, you could also focus on providing the value to your audience, and you can effectively promote your affiliate links and enhance your earning potential. But overall, that is just basically how you can join to the affiliate program of Allianz. Thank you.